What if I told you that the same process that leaves salt on your skin after a swim is also used to make life-saving medicines? Let's break it down as we cover a separation technique known as evaporation. Evaporation is used to extract crystals from a solvent through the application of heat. It is particularly effective in separating soluble solids from a liquid mixture. This process is seen in various scientific applications, from purifying substances to creating pharmaceuticals. Now pause for a challenge. Can you think of any real-life examples where evaporation is used in your daily life? Put your answer in the comments. Let's see who gets it right. The components of the evaporation setup include an evaporating dish, the solution for separation, the tripod stand, and the heat source such as a Bunsen burner. The solution is carefully placed on the evaporation dish and gently heated. This controlled heating process facilitates the evaporation of excess solvent, resulting in a saturated solution. An essential aspect of evaporation is the point at which the saturated solution can no longer retain the dissolved solutes. Consequently, solid crystals begin to form within the solution. This transition is a key phase, as it marks the separation of the desired solutes from the liquid mixture. Factors such as temperature, atmospheric pressure, and the nature of the solvent all play crucial roles in determining the success of the process. Furthermore, it is worth noting that the choice of the evaporating dish material can impact the outcome. For instance, materials with high thermal conductivity can expedite the evaporation process. Additionally, the size and shape of the dish influence the rate of solvent evaporation. Another quick challenge: if you had two evaporating dishes, one large and one small, which would cause evaporation to happen faster? Think about the surface area. In scientific applications, the obtained crystals can serve various purposes, from further analysis and characterization to the production of pharmaceuticals or the purification of substances for research purposes. To recap, evaporation is a separation technique used to extract crystals from a solvent through the application of heat. It separates soluble solids from the liquid mixture. The solution is gently heated until it becomes saturated. This causes the solutes to form crystals. The crystals can then be removed from the solution. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll break down crystallization techniques.